with the people here, so you can speak for the people here. Sabihin mo doon sa government na municipality of Alabel. We have a group of people there who are very active, very responsible, and who can help propel the governance of barangay governance, and even the governance of the municipality of Alabel. This can be a very potent force and very potent group to be able to bring about change in the locality of Alabel. Yes, Kap, can I have your commitment? Okay. So, palakpakan nato si Kapitan. So, ako, isip makigduyog aning o nakigduyog because the life of my brother is also my life. By blood, brother man yun to na po siya. So, kung unsa ang kalisdanan sa unang panahon, mubati yun ko. When sometimes he reaches out to other location like in Agusan, in Bukidnon, he has to reach a certain community by foot, and they have to walk 5 days by foot just to reach that community to meet the elderly of that community, considered as indigenous community, yung mga tribal pa. Oh. So, nagbaklay og 5 ka adlaw, nagpasan sa mga dapat makaon dito sa community, mga bugas, asukal, kape, uban na dihang mga dilatang, mga tubig. So when sometimes he will call me, Karen, do you have something to give out? So immediately I will send something. So the sustenance for the sustainability of his work will be able to go far. Okay, ang kaning tanan nanginahanglan og resources. So ang foundation, of course, we are aligned to the policies and document compliance with the Department of Social Welfare and Development, and of course with the Social Exchange Commission. That is the Securities Exchange Commission, the SEC. So, naay-compliance sa diha. Dili yun pwede nga maulahita. So, naata. And just the very time na narehistro officially with the DSWD and all the other requirements were met, naabot ang death sa ako ang igsuon. Who was the founding chairman? So igo lang yun nga na-comply ang tanan, niabot po ang kamatayon. But it does not mean that everything will stop. We have to continue, kasi sayang ang nasugdan. Dili manggod ang immersion process, isa lang kagabi nga gitulugan ang community. It will count for number of days, months, and even years. To be with the community, to know the culture, how they live, how they survive from the impoverished condition, because we have to face the fact and we have to accept the fact that we are still impoverished. Lisod pagihapon ang mga kahimtang sa mga pamilya. So kitang tanan, sa ako, sa part, sa matag-usa diri nga miyembro, kung naamay hayahay siguro, ipila lang. Pero ang kasagaran, naghandong Diyod na maluwas ta sa mga kalisdanan. And one thing that I will stress this point is for the foundation, is as a holistic approach to the implementation of its program, project, and activity, there must be a spiritualization. Ang spiritualization, wa nagpasabot na magbatbat ta dihag relihiyon. Ang spiritualization is the opening of your heart, how you go with the flow sa mga vision o mission ani nga foundation. Kaya ang spiritualization, mauna siya'y makapalig-on sa matag usa nga dili mapukan ang mga pagtuo o mga pagpanglimbasog. Kay wala ka diri nagbuhat o nagtindog lang o nag-usik lang o kinabuhi nga wala ka ni purpose. Naa ka ni tumong ang tanan. So, if we speak of well-being, the total welfare and well-being of a person, it is a holistic well-being and welfare. It involves the material well-being, the physical well-being, and the spiritual well-being. So, ang kanang tanan, holistic no, nakarap, yun na siya, inseparable. When you have the body, you have the soul. When you have the body, you have the body to feed. Your body goes hungry, and you need to eat. You need to have shelter. You need to have education. So that's the material aspect. But the spirit also needs food, and that's the prayer and the belongingness to God. Di ba, Kap? Oh. So dili pwede ma-separate ang lawas ngadto sa kalag ngadto sa espiritu. Usa ang biyahe ana. Ang biyahe sa lawas, sa kalag ug espiritu, usa ra naa sa imong pagkatawo. Now, how we fulfill the vision and how we will integrate all this aspect in the foundation's vision and mission, of course, is the opening of our heart. Kasi kung gahit pa man ang atong kasing-kasing, asa man ka padulong, dili man ka maminaw ana kay close man ang atong kasing-kasing. So it's really the heart. In the final analysis, it's the heart that opens up to God. Diba? Kung unsa atong mga kultura, ang atong mga pamatasan, ang atong edukasyon nga naabot, ang material aspect nga naabot, kanang tanan. Base yun na nato daan sa ato ang kasing-kasing. How you give 1 centavo, kung maulang yun na pa, sama sa Bible nga, ang isa ka widow, gihatag niya tanan ang iyang sentimos, but God counts it as a big part of the contribution or the big part of her heart. So maupot ka. So unsa ang atong kasing-kasing kadako ani nga makigduyog ta sa journey, because this is the core group. I will say it as a core group before we can reach out to other communities. This core group must be purified from ill intention. Dilitan na mo ban sa ila kay unsa man na sila diha, mga kulto man siguro na. Dilitan mo ban ana sa ila kay aron ingnon na ng mga grupuha. So daghan pag doubt ang kasing-kasing ni ana, no? So dili man mapugos sa aing ana nga mga pamaagi. But kani nga group, I should say, this is already a purified group. Niagi na nigdako nga proseso, niagi na nigdako nga mga pagtulunan, because we have to spiritualize. All our action will have to be spiritualized. Like for example, unsa man ang ministry nato sa foundation. Unsa gyud ang atong ministry sa foundation? It is reaching out families, children, women, PWD, elderly, the old people in the community. It's reaching out all these people that they will be one with us in the belief that we are the creation, the most beautiful creation of God.
Amen.
Oh. So kana siya, ato gyud na siyang pamalandungan, because we are not only singing our hymns here. When we sing, we have the heart to sing. We have the mind and soul who will also sing. Kay unsa may pulos sa kanta nga mga litra rato nga nalitok sa baba pero wala to sa kasing-kasing. Kay ang tanan puy-an mangyud nato. So no one is perfect also. Wala may perfecto sa atua, but we strive and really strive that we will become the best version of ourselves. So we have to be more aware of what minuses and pluses do we have. As a person, daghan tag minus, daghan po tag plus. So we utilize the plus factors. Kaya dili man pwede nga perfecta na aman joy kakulangan. So that is the dynamic of the community. Na ay mga reklamo, na kay mabadlong ta, ginagmay, magpahimagno ta, because that is the dynamic of the human person. We are composed of the both the plus and the minus. So, dili pwede ang package na positive lang. Naagyo'y positive o negative. But the positive and negative can work harmoniously and can interplay harmoniously in any program implementation because there is love na ay spiritual element. Ang spiritual element, maunay anchor na to. Eh kung walay spiritual element, wala yung anchor. So, ako, I just retired from the service as the Municipal Social Welfare Officer of the Municipality of Suluk, and we are always an SGLG passer. For how many years? We are consistently an SGLG passer. Ambot pasabot ana, the Seal of Good Local Governance passer po kami. Tapos isa kada po nga aspeto diha nga gina-assess is the aspect of the social welfare and development projects, programs, and activities. Like we are the child-friendly community, na atay mga LCAP Bausi, local katong sa mga trafficking na mga anak, no, daghan kaayo tag pasaron, pero napasar na siya tanan consistently every year. So I bring out myself here to help also the foundation. So kay sa una, previous na ko nga work, when I graduated from the Philippine School of Social Work, Philippine Women's University, I immediately was employed with the Foster Parents Plan International. So I live with the Mangyanso Mindoro, sir. Good afternoon.
Kagawad dili Aratea.
Acknowledging your presence, Kagawad Daratilla.
Aratea.
So when I work here, my first employment, after my graduation with Philippine School of Social Work, Philippine Women's University, I was immediately hired by the Foster Parents Plan International, and I immediately worked with them. And I was assigned in the two island provinces of Oriental Mindoro and Marinduque. I live with the Mangyans of Mindoro. They were G-strings and the women are topless during those times. Pero karon educated naman sila na yung mga saplot. But they live in the hinterlands. So ang ako, waklay jud ko anang mga kasapaan o kabukiran. The farthest mountain there in Oriental Mindoro is Bulalakaw. So I really walk how many kilometers, no, just to reach the community of Mangyans. Mangyan. So mayad pagsurit. Karon unsa naman ron, mayad pag malambong. Ako na. Oh. So I also work with the fisher folks. I work with the women. And after I resigned from the post, from the Foster Parents Plan International, I work with the UNICEF, and then I work also with the ministry pa kasi po noon, Ministry of Social Welfare and Development, then as youth development worker, then senior social worker, supervising social welfare officer. So I'm handling all the cases for Davao del Sur. Lahat po ng cases ng adoption cases, cases involving minors, ako po yun. I'm only one in Davao del Sur. For each province, isa lang ang nag-handle sa case, sa mga cases. So before, we only have region, ang composition po kasi ng Region 11, we have Davao City, Davao del Sur, Davao del Norte, Davao Oriental, Davao General Santos City, Surigao Sur A, Surigao Sur B. And wala pa na-create ang Region 13, which is Davao de Oro na siya karon. Oh. So kaniadto, ingon anak pa ang sitwasyon. So I will bring you to the memories of the past, how the welfare and development process were in those days nga maskig ang sakyanan para makaabot ko sa place, muagi ko sa bintana. Kaya para makasakay ko. Kay if that, di ko magluya-luya ko, sunod nga trip, ugma pa. So karon, with all the gadgets, cellphone, transportation, passable roads, cemented roads, there is no reason for each one of us to participate in any endeavor that will be spearheaded by the foundation and will be strongly collaborated with the barangay governance. Kasi gusto po natin makolaborate sa barangay governance para kasayod po ang barangay governance unsay mga panghitabo sa mga pamilya o sa community, specifically kaninga community. And in that instance, like for example, the senior citizen. The senior citizen fund, the national fund, will be downloaded eventually to the local government. So, kinsa man dinhi, lumulupyo sa ladol, nga wala pa in taon na halista o wala pa kadawat sa mga social pension nga gikan sa nasyonal.
Sunod na.
Kung daghan pa, patabangan o ma-recommend. Kinsa na sila para in taon po makasakay sa barko sa mga social pension. But of course, dili ang mga social pensioner from SSS, GSIS, or mga veterans, they are out and delisted. Not unless the universal pension katong ginamugna karon nga balaod nga all. Wala gyud giingon diha nga all. Maski SSS beneficiary ka or whatever, all na, di ba? Mo na ginakuan karon ginapaabot. Pero so far, ang katong sa national government DSWD nga mga social pension that will be downloaded to the local government units. So you should be aware of that. Para ang inyong mga katauhan ng mga senior citizen, pila ba dire sa ladol ang nakasakay na sa master list nga ma-pay out sa national. Kasi kami sa sulok naapod may local social pension which is provided for by the local government unit. Lahi ang social pension nga national, lahi gyud tong social pension nga gikan sa panudladan sa lokal. Naapod mi ana every month naga-pay out. Oo. So you can innovate and you can gina-share nako para ma-open ang inyong sa alabel nga you will do the same thing. And in Suluk, we have the hunger-free Christmas and hunger-free New Year. So tanan nga population, if we have a population of 39 or 40,000, all in all, population na siya. Pero ang household, kung namin household nga mga 12,000, tanan tagaan. O kanang naagyoy rice, naay grocery. Para walay gutom, there will always be food on the table on Christmas and there will always be food on the table on New Year.
Amen.
So nami hunger-free Christmas and hunger-free New Year. And we can replicate, why I am telling you this, because we can replicate that program here.
Yes.
Maski barangay lang muna ang mag-finance, basta na ay hunger-free Christmas o hunger-free New Year ang ladon.
Model, tama.
Di ba? Mag-piloting lang sa ba? Ya mauna mo. And you can be an outstanding barangay.
Okay.
You get the idea. Kaya gina-share na ako for you to get all this idea.
Pwede man na gagawin namin, ma'am, pero kaso lang, pa sa
Funding? Pwede, mag-allocate lang, hinay-hinay. Pila lang sa kapamilya, ang anak, pero you can discuss that with mayor. Kasi barangay po, captain po kayo, you can bring out the idea
Yes, ma'am.
para ma-fundingan because 2026 budget is more bigger than 2025. Ako ang allocation sa 2026 budget. Pila ka milyon ang ira ng barangay po ninyo?
Kuwan pa, ma'am, na sa ngayon, nagtaasan na mong nata, kaya mo na sa karoon na 8,000 plus.
Ang rata ninyo.
8 million plus. 8 million
Annual? Monthly?
1 year.
Yearly? Ang inyong ira? Barangay ira?
8 million.
Agamay pa na. Di pa kayo mo katuyok, ana.
8,000.
Ang sa inyong prime program, like PhilHealth, do you help the people here na mag-subsidize mo PhilHealth? Para ang bayro nun sa PhilHealth is taken care of by the barangay and the municipal government. We are doing that sa amo ang municipality. Wala na sila'y bayad. Ang ilang mga PhilHealth is taken care of by us. And we have the expanded health program in our LGU I'm even a member and the vice president of kung sa iyang anak nga program. Kuan, kada bang hospitalization, kita na hospital ka, daily, kung 3 days ka na hospital or 5 days ka na hospital, na kay daily allowance na 500 sa expanded PhilHealth na mo. Kami ang nag-create, kami nag-innovate. Tapos kung ang excess sa imong bill is 10,000, ihatag sa imo ang 10,000. Kung ang excess sa imong bill is 11,000 or 15,000, katurag yung 10,000. Pero kung ang imong excess sa hospital bill is 5,000, dili nimo makuha ang 10,000, ang 5 ra po'y bayaran. I'm sharing all these things because we can replicate. Oo.
Pero actually, ma'am, diri sa Aladel at saka sa probinsya, ang grasya yung hospital ang atong mga constituents.
Libre naman.
Libre naman siya.
That's very good also. Lain-lain lang po ang features, no? Pero you can pick up sa ako ang gipang-share kung sa mga maayo ninyong pandayon ng mga programa because the reality is we are still impoverished. Isud paghihapon ang kinabuhi. And our dream is to spur development through livelihood projects of the people. Kanang panginabuhi yun ba, nga gunitan yun nila. Nga dili sila mag-beg. Inaagyon sila yung panginabuhi. Diba? Mo na dream sa foundation. And the foundation is now working out on several project proposals as a proponent to the United Nations. Ako i-share ha, the foundation as a proponent to the United Nations has submitted already various project proposals to be funded. So it is waiting for a time nga align gyud kay lisod pod kung ang hagbong sa funding dili gyud ma-align, no? Kay kay gobyerno. Oh. Mutabang man pud mo monitor ani. Oh.
Module.
Diba? Oh. So, we are just waiting for the final discretion of the funder. And the as I understood, no, the funder is from Germany. Para maklaro na lang sa inyo, matinaw-tinawan mo. Oo. So, this afternoon, this is a very valuable and significant time for me. My husband is PWD. Kasi operated man siya o brain. The procedure is called craniectomy. Craniectomy. A brain procedure operation na siya after sa stroke. So 160cc man nakuha sa iyahang dugo. And I am taking care of him for 11 years now. Gibiyaan sa nako dito because I have to be with you.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Manay tinuod. Pwede man ta mag-plastic. What you see in me is what you get in me. I'm also a little bit blunt and frank if it needs to be. So kana lang dili man ta bang hambog. And kani nga foundation is a core group of people with a big heart, a big vision, and big mission. Because ang nurturer ani is no less than also a person with a big heart and a big vision na naay spirituality. Kabalo ka nga nung nga nag-fail ang mga some of the government projects because we are only up to material. Like for example, road construction. Who participated in road construction? Wala may participation sa public. It's DPWH only. Not even barangay. Wala participation. Wala sense of ownership. Dili ta makaingon o amuan ng project, agibutang ra man na di. Pag maka na mo sa kabuntagon na may dalan. Di ba? Wala kita sense of ownership. So naga-fail ang project sometimes of like for example, a cooperative. Sa kadaghan kaniadto nga sige gi-finance o gi-fund sa government nga cooperative nganong walay naga-survive. Pero medyo na ma-reverse ang co-op mahimong sarado. Kung tindahan siya sari-sari pagkasunod sira-sira. No. Diba? Tama na siya. Reality na siya. Walay mag-stand. Kaya tungod, material lang ang belongingness sa tao. We just we just have a sense of belonging because we get something, a material thing from that. Wala yun spirituality. Ang akong ibalik yun ang spirituality which is love. Kasi kung naay love ang kada miyembro sa co-op, magmalasakit yun mo. Dili mo
Amen.
gusto nga mawala na.
Amen.
Kaya naay tumong ang cooperative nga mo sustain for the needs of the people, nga moabot ang panahon nga krisis, moabot ang kanggutom, moabot ang kalisdanan, na kay daganan nga tindahan.
Amen.
So kung nangutang ka, mubayad po ta. Ingon anak siya, love man na, dili na siya hate. Kung naningil si Tindera, ayo kasat si Tindera. Kaya naningil.
Oh.
Ay karon na ako'y kwarta. Dili ko mo palit sa co-op, sa lain ko mo palit. Kaya naamang ko'y kwarta nga pwede ka palit sa lain. Pero kung wala na ko'y need sa balay, mga kung mauna-unaan mo, ato sa co-op, kinuha kong sabon. And this is the dynamic. Dili ni ingon nga sa ladul nga co-op akong ginasite because I am very experienced in these things. Pag ay kwarta sa lain mamalit. Pag walay kwarta ang mahuna-hunaan nga mangutang dito sa co-op. Munang walay nagasustain nga cooperative because there is no love and spirituality. Pag ingon magugag spirituality, that is love. That is malasakit.
Mo good.
Na ay malasakit factor sa kanan nga mga ginbuhaton. Kay kung wala gyud malasakit factor nga ma-involve, everything will collapse.
Yes.
So I will not stay long in talking, but I am here why I am telling you my work experiences in the past. It is to tell you that I am here and I am offering myself in this foundation.
Amen.
Thank you very much and God bless us all.
Thank you, ate.